Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing an unresponsive joystick on your PS5 controller, you're not alone. This can happen due to wear and tear over time or possibly due to dirt or debris interfering with the joystick's movement. If left unaddressed, it can lead to frustrating gameplay and an overall diminished gaming experience. To resolve this issue, we'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement joystick component. First, ensure your PS5 controller is turned off and is not connected to any power source. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry apart the casing of the controller. Start at the seam and work your way around carefully, taking care not to damage any clips. Once you've opened the controller, visually inspect the joystick area to identify the faulty component. You can usually tell by its loose or unresponsive nature. Carefully disconnect the wires attached to the joystick. When disconnecting, be gentle to avoid damaging any nearby components. Now, take your tweezers and remove the old joystick. It may require a bit of wiggling, but it should come out without too much force. Once it's out, take your replacement joystick and align it into the slot. Press down gently until it clicks into place. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are securely attached. Now, before closing the controller, it's wise to test the joystick. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything is functioning as it should, carefully align the casing back together, ensuring all clips are engaged. Apply a gentle pressure to snap it back into place. Finally, double-check that all screws are tightened and that the controller is properly closed. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to keep your controller clean and free from dust. Regularly inspect the joystick for any signs of wear and consider taking breaks during extended gaming sessions to avoid straining the components. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.